उनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए The more men dig, the more water flows from sandy springs. The more men learn, the more even the wisdom flows. This is the time for the wisdom, the learning, the hard work, the dedication, the devotion, the patience, the perseverance, the children of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 Jaipur to celebrate, to give away their prizes, to felicitate them. I would like to make a polite request to our today's chief guest of the function, Shri Vishwa Mohan Sharma, IAS, Special Secretary, Education, Government of Rajasthan. I request Shri Rajesh Dutt Mathur, Deputy Secretary, School Education, Government of Rajasthan. I request Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, HM Sir, please come on the stage with the dignitaries to give away the prizes to the children. So please, this is the time to give the prizes, the medals, the certificates, the token of their hard work, the determination, the dedication, the children shown here. So please come on the stage. I would like to call upon the stage the name of the winners. Kumari Himani Singh, 11th A, shooting. The girl child participated in national sports meet and she also crossed the benchmark and participated in School Games Federation of India. Give her a huge round of applause. Himani Singh, 11th A. Priya Sharma, 10th Archery, gold medal in KVS National Archery Tournament and also participated in SGFI. Next participant, Kumari Varsha, 11th A, Badminton, bronze medal in KVS National Badminton Tournament and selected for SGFI. Please give them a huge round of applause. Kumari Himani Singh, she participated in SGFI. This is the token of success and respect from this stage to the child and her efforts. Now Priya Sharma, class 10th Archery. She participated in NSF, National Sports Meet, and also participated in SGFI. Next participant, Kumari Varsha, 11th A, Badminton. She participated in NSF, National Sports Meet, and also participated in SGFI. Master Manyavar, class 8, Tennis. Bronze medal in KVS National Tennis Tournament 2025, selected for SGFI. Next participant who secured the position and also participated in SGFI, Jay Chaudhary, class 8, Tennis. Bronze medal in KVS National Tennis Tournament 2025, selected for SGFI. Please give them a huge round of applause. The children who represented Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan in School Games Federation of India. It is the proud moment for Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 Jaipur. Now, Jay Chaudhary, class 8 tennis, bronze medal in KVS National Tennis Tournament, selected for SGFI. This is the turn for Aryan Prajapat, 7th B boxing, silver medal in KVS National Sports Meet. Aryan Prajapat. Now, Master Piyush Meena, 11th A, tennis, gold medal in KVS National Boxing. Master Piyush Meena, 11th A, gold medal in National Boxing Tournament. Now, Master Gaurav Singh, class 8, Taekwondo, silver medal in National Sports Meet. Master Gaurav. Now, Vanshika, 9th, shooting, bronze medal in KVS National Shooting Tournament. This is the turn for Rajya Puruskar, the children who participated and qualified in Scout Rajya Puruskar, Bharat Scout and Guide. So the students are on the stage. To felicitate them, I would like to call upon stage Master Yash Kumar, Master Gaurav Pareva, Master Bhavishya, Master Alvin Singh Daruka, Master Anurag Pandey, Master Chetan Agarwal, Kumari Diksha Verma, and Kumari Ananya Saini. All the team of the children who participated and qualified Raj Puruskar. And I would like to make a polite request to gathering to pay attention toward the remarkable achievement. One child in the Bharat Scout and Guide, one student Kumari Palak Yadav participated in Scout and Guide in Diamond Jubilee, Jamburi. It is a matter of proud privilege for all of us. The girl child represented the Jaipur region in Jamburi.
कोई ना समझ सके वो कहिए एक बार कहिए
Now this is the turn to felicitate the students. Regional Science Exhibition. The children who participated in Regional Science Exhibition, I would like to call upon stage. The children must be ready and be near stage. Master Naveen Kumar Pareva, please give him a big round of applause. The student of class 11D, Master Naveen Kumar Pareva, secured first position on Regional Level Science Exhibition. Master Naveen Kumar Pareva, Master Arav Agarwal, 8A, Kumari Urshika Saini, Master Arpit Sharma, Master Nihar Malgar, and Kumari Siddhi Chatterjee. These 6 students participated in Regional Science Exhibition and they shone their models chart prepared by them on the topic Green Energy. One model selected for National Science Exhibition and Master Naveen Kumar Pareva secured first position in the same. Kumari Urshika Saini, Master Arpit Sharma, Master Nihar Malgar, Kumari Siddhi Chatterjee, please be on stage. This is the turn for giving the prizes to the children. Throughout the year, the children help us out in the morning assembly in handling the technically and giving the technical assistance in the PA system. Once again, I would like to remind the name of the student of Rajya Puraskar. Master Yash Kumar, Master Gaurav Pareva, Master Bhavishya, Master Anvesh Singh, Master Anurag, Master Chetan, Kumari Diksha, Kumari Palak Yadav, and Kumari Ananya Saini. Now the prayer group secondary, the children who work very hard and they play the instrument in morning assembly. Prayer group secondary, they must be ready for prizes. Kumari Harshita, Kumari Yashashvi, Kumari Nehal Agarwal, Kumari Misti and Master Tanmay Avasti. The student whose names is there in the Scout Guide section, once again, I would like to remind you names. Master Yash Kumar, Gaurav Pareva, Bhavishya, Anvesh Singh, Anurag Pandey, Chetan Agarwal, Diksha, Palak Yadav and Ananya Saini.
Why didn't you answer me? I bet you're busy talking to see if I can start.
I thank our dignitaries and I would like to make a polite request to our dignitaries. Please have seats, sir. Thank you so much for giving away the prizes to the children and motivating them, encouraging them to do the wonderful job here. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call upon stage class 8B for their wonderful dance. Class 8B showing South Indian culture. Class 8B.
नहीं नहीं गिर जाएगा
We are heading to South. Class 8B will present a stunning South Indian culture dance. This dance form reflects the rich cultural heritage and traditional dance style from southern India.
Let's get ready for a graceful and powerful performance. Welcome class 8.